Cropping a single or maybe 2 or 3 images is very simple, but what if you need to crop hundreds or maybe thousands of images? Let's look at how easy Cloudinary makes that with their Node SDK. So here I have an image that's uploaded to my Cloudinary, and I have an example of exactly what it is. So it's this image here with a sweet treat right in the middle. So let's try by cropping it first of all. So what we can do here is do crop, and then we can set the width and the height. So we'll set it to 800, and then we'll set the height to also 800 to give us a square image. If we hit save here and we run our node package, we'll see we'll get this new URL here with c_crop in here and a height and a width. So when we click on this image, that's not exactly what we want. It's cropped it in very hard on this one piece of the image. So let's see what happens if we make a few more changes. So first, let's change this to fill and hit save. And what this does, instead of just cropping on the X and the Y, it'll actually fill the content out. So we should get a better looking image. So if we run this one more time and we open this back up, you can see that we've cropped out parts of the image now. We're kind of almost centered in on this image. Now let's add gravity as well. So we can do gravity auto, and we run this one more time. You can see that not really much has changed as it's kind of centered into the image, but we can even use AI here to make this even better. Cloudinary uses AI to do cropping, so we should be able to get a better crop than this. So if we change this crop to auto and the gravity to auto, and we run this one more time, we should get the best crop of all. And as you can see, it's cropped in on this hand really well. And that's because AI is detected as that is the main focal point that we're trying to use. Next up, we first need our images in Cloudinary. So let's look at how easy it is to upload them with Node.